My name is Prarthi Kothari, and currently I'm pursuing my master's in bioinformatics. So I'd just like to share my experience with the skill development program which I've done in the last month. And I'd like to present it in the form of what we had actually done and what the skills we had acquired each week. So, for the first week, which was the introduction to bioinformatics and literature review, this was the manuscript assigned to me, the label-free proteomic analysis and functional analysis in patients with intrauterine adhesion. So through this manuscript, which I had further learned how to determine the differentially expressed proteins using the gene ontology database and the KEC database. So basically the skills acquired were the data search and the critical reading, which is the most important, to analyze the text and identify the strengths and weaknesses. And also the presentation, which enhanced my communication skills as well. The next week included the introduction to the big data analysis and clinical research, which again, through that, I learned data processing and statistical analysis by creating various clustering heat maps and volcano plots. And reactome was actually the core of the reactome model is the reaction, like it includes proteins, complexes, and small molecules which further participate in the network of biological interactions. So these were the skills which I had acquired in the second week. Moving on to the third week, which was the introduction to AI and ML in biology and clinical research. So this is actually the Orange workflow, Orange software, where I had created this workflow. And through further analysis, this is the confusion matrix which I had received, which determined the true positives, true negatives, and many more statistical measures. And through Python programming, this was how I can further visualize and analyze the result which I had obtained through the workflow. So mainly using the Orange software and the Python programming, I learned the how to construct a proper workflow and how to determine which predictive models such as the KNN or the random forest which I can use for further analysis of my research subject. And a report writing was also done in this week, which actually helped me in creating a proper and concise structured writing. And finally, in the final week, I learned the identification of therapeutic target and drug docking. So the Galaxy server was used, and in this, like if you see this image, so this is the compound library which I had obtained from a huge amount of data, and this is the potential energy map which I had obtained after further analysis. So these also can be determined of how reliable can be your further docking. And just to give you a brief idea of docking, it is just a molecular modeling technique which is employed to anticipate the interactions between a protein and a ligand. And through the Galaxy server, the main skill which I learned was troubleshooting. While doing the assignments as well, I had faced a lot of issues, but the troubleshooting part helped me a lot because it is very necessary to ensure the integrity and reliability of the results. So finally, this program has significantly enhanced my understanding and the practical skills which I'll need in the field of bioinformatics. And the highlight of the program would be the hands-on experience to the interactive projects and assignments.